Hello students, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Students, this video is for Osmania University MBA Semester 3 students. And in this video, I'm sharing with you the subject investment analysis and portfolio management. Theory 100% pass important questions for your upcoming semester examination, January-February 2024. So students, watch the video with full concentration because whatever questions I am sharing in this video, that questions are very important. Now let's see what are the important questions for the subject investment analysis and portfolio management. First, unit 1. Unit 1 is introduction to investment. Short questions. Short questions carries 2 marks. First is real versus financial assets, very important. Investment versus speculation, very important. Risk return trade off, 100% important. Fourth, ex ante and ex post return, very important. Fifth, types of risk. So these are the important questions for unit 1. Now next, unit 1, long questions. Long questions carries 8 marks. First one, explain the investment decision making process and state the sources for investment information. Very important question. Second, explain the efficient market hypothesis. Very important. What are the ex ante and ex post return? Explain with examples. Discuss various approaches for investment analysis to a prospective investor. So these are the important questions. Now unit 2, short questions. First is what is portfolio. Second, portfolio risk and return, very important. Separation theorem. Fourth, Markowitz portfolio theory. Fifth is single index model. So these are the important questions under unit 2. Short questions from these. Question number 1, very important. Question number 2, portfolio risk and portfolio return, very important. And separation theorem is also very important. Now unit 2, long questions. First is explain portfolio theory. Second, CAPM and its limitation. Second question, discuss in detail Markowitz model of portfolio, very important. Third question, what is portfolio management? Explain various steps involved in the process of portfolio management. It's very important. Differences between Sharpe index model and Markowitz model. This is also very important. So students, start your preparation from these questions because whatever questions I am sharing in this video, it's very important for your upcoming semester examination point of view. Now next, unit 3. Unit 3 is fixed income securities analysis, valuation and management. First, short questions. Number 1, bound. Second, bound duration. Third, zero coupon bound and deep discount bound. Students, zero coupon bound and deep discount bound, it's very important. Maybe from this separately will ask you zero coupon bound or deep discount bound. Fourth, current yield, very important, CY. Holding period return, HPR, very important. Sixth, explain YTM, AYTM, YTC, very important. This sixth question is also important for long. Now seventh question, bound indenture, that is very important. Now unit 3, long questions. First is what are fixed income securities, states its features, advantages and disadvantages, very important question. Now unit 4, that is common stock analysis and valuation. First, short question. Number 1, common stock. Second, capital asset pricing model, CAPM, state its assumption also. Price earning multiplier approach, this is also known as price earning ratio, earning multiplier. Then unit 4, long questions. What do you understand by common stock? Explain its features, scope and importance, very important question. Second, explain capital asset pricing model in valuation of stock, very important. Explain arbitrage pricing theory, 100% important. Now unit 5, portfolio evaluation. First, short questions. Portfolio evaluation, very important. Capital market theory. Explain open and close ended mutual fund, 100% important. What is Sharpe reward to variability index, important question. What is tiny reward to volatility index, very important. Write the benefits of mutual fund investment, 100% important. So these are the important questions for unit 5 short questions you are watching now. So students, these are the important questions for the subject investment analysis and portfolio management. Now unit 5 long questions. Here I am sharing only 2 questions in unit 5. These 2 are very important. Define mutual fund, explain its features, types, scheme and regulations of mutual fund in India. So in the examination he will ask you define mutual fund, explain its features and types, or maybe he will ask you types and schemes of mutual fund and regulations of mutual fund. So students, these are the important questions for the subject investment analysis and portfolio management. So students, if you think this video is helpful to you, please like the video. If you think this video is helpful for your friends also, then share the video with all your friends. And if you think this channel is helpful for you for your academics, then subscribe to my channel. And students, very soon I'm going to upload the other subjects important questions also, like operation management, e-global business and total quality management. So stay connected with us. And students, for degree students also, all the subjects important questions for BCom semester 1 to semester 6 are available on my YouTube channel. For MBA semester 2 students, financial management important questions are also there. Thanks for watching this video.